What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with your Monday motivation for this week. Now, I'm pretty sure quarantine, lockdown, all this pandemic, all this stuff going on is starting to get to a few people, and you're probably putting in time, putting in the work to different things, but you might not always be seeing the results you want to see. So this video is strictly for people who want to be productive this year, and that is why in today's Monday motivation, I'm giving you guys some tips, tricks, and exercises you can perform to help you be productive, not only today, not only this week, but throughout lockdown, throughout the pandemic, and to be honest, forevermore. As you guys know, I love to motivate you guys every Monday, and that's what I'm here to do today. So I'm going to give you guys these tips and tricks in just a second, but first thing we need to do, drop that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. Let's hit 50 likes on today's video. 50, come on, you guys can do it. Also make sure to comment, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. But now, let's dive straight into the topic of today's Monday motivation. Now, I don't know about you guys, but personally, it is very tough, very hard to consistently put in the work when you're not seeing the results you want to see. So one solution I find really works well for me and will definitely work well for you guys is set yourself 3 to 5 daily tasks to do. Just 3 to 5. It can be pretty simple, it can be quite large, but just 3 to 5 daily tasks. Now, I know there are many of you guys out there who are just like me, who want to get a lot of stuff done, you want to complete so much stuff each and every day. But often what happens is that causes us to be busy instead of productive. So you don't want to get caught up in being busy, you want to be productive. So once you set out those 3 to 5 tasks daily, smash them out of the way, by the evening, you've done your 3, that's good, you put it to the side, you move on. Because this is the thing, if you get those 3 to 5 tasks done in your single day period, you've won the day. Now, if you won the day, you can start focusing on the next day, and you go into that next day feeling good, feeling like, yes, I got yesterday done. There's no reason that I can't get today's jobs done. That is the mentality it creates. Now, I know it sounds very strange, very funny, but trust me, just start off with 3 to 5 tasks today, get those smashed out of the way, and write them off as a win. Now, I want you to focus on something. Think about the fact that if you get 3 to 5 tasks done today, you can do it tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and etc. Now, think about the fact that those 3 to 5 tasks start to add up. You get 3 done today, that's 3 out of the way. Let's say you do it for next week. That's 21 important tasks you have got out of the way. And it might not seem like a lot, but it's much better to be productive that way than to be just busy and just doing a load of different things just for the sake of it. You win your day, you can win your week. You win your week, you can win your month. You win your January, you win your month, you can win your 2021. That's exactly how it starts. And yeah, there's a load of stuff going on around us, so many different things. But trust me, if you guys can get these small tasks done each and every day, it's going to propel you forward to being much more productive than ever before. Now, funny thing is, it doesn't only propel you to be more productive, but it also creates a winning habit in you. It installs that winning habit into you. And as you guys know, winning is a habit. You constantly win, you're going to feel much better. You guys have seen from stuff I've done, you guys have probably seen from the stuff you've done yourselves. Once you start to win and continue to win, it becomes a habit, it becomes addicting, and it becomes quite normal for you. So for those of you who are out there who are so focused on working 4 hours, 5 hours on your own thing today, focus on those tasks. Did I get those 3 to 5 tasks done? Did I get them sorted out? Because sometimes 3 tasks might take 6 hours. Sometimes you might start your week saying, I need to work 4 hours every day this week for my own goals and dreams. And maybe that's not what you need. Maybe you need to say, I need to set 3 or 5 tasks to do. I need to do this, and that today. I need to do this, and that tomorrow. And guess what? Those 3 to 5 tasks might take you an hour and a half, instead of just working for 4 hours just for the sake of it. And I'm speaking from experience here. When you go do those kind of things, you get into the rhythm, you get into the flow, and 1 week later, you'll be like, you know what? This is easier than I thought. I'll add a couple more tasks. A month later, you'll come back and say, actually, this is getting really easy for me. I can now work for 1 hour solid and be productive, get 3 to 5 tasks done in that 1 hour, and relax for the next 3 or 4 hours, instead of me working 4 or 5 hours and not really being productive. So again, I'm telling you guys today, focus on those 3 to 5 tasks. It can be 3, 4, or 5. If it's more than that, I doubt you're going to get them done, and it makes you be a little bit busy again instead of being productive. Whereas if it's less than that, I just find it's a little bit too easy. We want to be productive, we want to be successful, so let's get 3 to 5 tasks done daily this week. And I'll be honest with you guys, I know many people out here who work less hours than me, but they're more productive. And I also know many people who work way more hours than me, but they'll never ever be as close to the kind of productivity I'm putting out. Purely because they're so focused on working for 4 or 5 hours every evening or 6 hours on the weekends. When I tell you guys to hustle on the weekend, work on the weekends, it is that, but it's hustle in the right way, work in the right way. Be productive. So again, get those tasks completed, and then you can move on to the next day. And for those of you who don't see wins a lot, the next tip I'm going to give you is very helpful. Every time you win, every time you complete something, write it down or put it on your fridge or stick it on a mirror or put it somewhere you can see it and you're like, oh yeah, I got that done. For those of you who struggle with productivity, get those 3 to 5 tasks written down, and when you've done them, tick them off. I know we all like to do things and then write them on a list and say we've done them, but that's not the right way to do things, because again, you end up being busy and not productive. Set out with those 3 to 5 tasks and smash them off. Again, write them down on your whiteboard, stick them on your fridge, on your mirror, on the wall. Remind yourself how good you are, remind yourself how you're winning. And I'm not saying it's easy. I know it's extremely exhausting to be productive and get your tasks done, get stuff out of the way and complete what you're trying to do. Now add that to the fact that we're in a global pandemic, the economy needs to be boosted, people are losing jobs, people are unemployed, there's a virus, all sorts of stuff is going on. I know it's even more difficult to be productive. But again, remind yourself who you are, remind yourself what you're capable of, write down your goals for the week. Again, write down your daily tasks, smash them, get them out of the way, hit those targets, and move on to the next one. And again, I want to emphasize, I know it sounds easy to talk about, and when I'm saying it here, it sounds all good, but actually go do this. Write them down on a sticky note, on a whiteboard, chalk on a blackboard, I don't know, whatever you want to do, put them on your fridge, like I said, but continue to remind yourself what you're going to do and continue to remind yourself what you're capable of doing. It is hard to consistently put in the work constantly, to put in hours and hours daily. For you guys out there who do that for your school, for your education, for your jobs, for your internships, whatever you may be doing. It is definitely hard to go and put in work and hours and hours and hours on whatever it may be, even if it's your side hustle, your online business, I don't care. It's extremely difficult to put in that time and all that effort and all those hours when you don't see the results you want to see. But there are definitely ways to start making that happen. Ways which a lot of people don't realize are quite simple but effective. Those important tasks you have for the whole year or for the first quarter or for the month or the week, reaching one of those and getting those done all comes from the foundation. The foundation comes from building those 3 to 5 small daily tasks and getting them out of the way, smashing those and moving on to the next thing. 3 important tasks daily equates to 15 important tasks from your Monday to Friday. 15 important tasks from your Monday to Friday, 4 times a month, is just 60 important tasks in a month period. That's without doing anything on the weekends. Now imagine every single week you get those 3 to 5 tasks done every single day. Let's just say a minimum of 3 tasks every single day. That's 15 tasks every single Monday to Friday for 52 weeks straight. So to simplify it down, 3 tasks Monday, 3 tasks Tuesday, 3 tasks Wednesday, 3 tasks Thursday, 3 tasks Friday is 15 tasks. Now repeat that 4 times during the month. That's 60 different tasks, important tasks you've got done in a month. Now multiply that by 12 months, so every single month of the year, that's 720 tasks you have got done in a year. Now 720 important tasks might not seem a lot to you. Now I guarantee you guys, there are very few years you actually go through where you complete 720 important tasks. Now when I say important tasks, it could be a wide range of things. But for you guys out there, it could be reading 15 pages a day. That could be an important task for you. For some of you out there, it could be completing 2 hours at the gym. For some of you out there, it could be going for a run for an hour. For some of you out there, it could be creating notes and guides for some of your courses. For some of you out there, it could be getting some stuff done which you need to do for work. It can come in many different forms, but I'm telling you guys, 3 to 5 tasks daily can really propel you closer to success. Whether it's your schoolwork, your job, your internship, your online business, your studies, whatever it may be, if you want to be productive, stop trying to get 100 different tasks done each and every week. Stop trying to spend 6-7 hours doing something. I mean, I want you guys to win today. I want you guys to win this week. I want you guys to be productive throughout this month. I want you guys to be productive throughout the Q1, for the next month, for the whole of 2021. And I want you guys to be creative, productive beyond that. So with that being said, you have to start getting 3 to 5 tasks done consistently. I mean, like I said, just 3 tasks for the next 5 days and repeating that for 52 weeks can get you very far. Imagine doing that for 7 days a week. Imagine doing 5 tasks 7 days a week. And with that, you start to see how the numbers really begin compounding. I'm telling you guys can do it. I've gone through those situations where I'm like, oh man, I have to get this done. Instead, you find yourself doing other things. Don't be that person. Be productive. Don't be busy. Don't be, scrolling on the internet for hours and hours, not actually getting anything done. Find what you need, be productive. Be laser focused on what you need to get done. Do it consistently for days, and I tell you guys, you're gonna win. Do it consistently for weeks, and I tell you guys, you're propelling yourself closer and closer to success. And the same goes for if you do it for months and years. All those big dreams, all those big goals you have to start small. You have to start from somewhere. Start from the foundation, start from what's going to get you lifted off the ground. Everybody out there has potential, but not everybody sees their potential get them somewhere. I don't want you guys to be one of those people. You guys know this channel is built for highly driven people with big goals, big dreams, very ambitious people, and people who want to succeed in life. To do that, we've got to start getting tasks smashed out of the way. And that's why I've given you guys these tips today. So hopefully you guys are now feeling enthusiastic, ready, and excited to attack another week. Be productive in all that you do. Of course, like I said, I'm trying to help people each and every day, and I sincerely hope with today's video I've done that in some form for you. So as always, make sure to drop that thumbs up. Like I said, let's hit 50 likes in this video. We've not had as many likes recently, but I know you guys can pull through this time. Also, make sure to comment. I love engaging with you guys, interacting with you guys in the comment section, so make sure to keep that up. Lastly, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit that red button below if you're new around here. But thanks a lot for watching today's video, guys. Go out, have a great week, be productive. That's it from me. I go into making, you got winning to be doing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.